Good evening, everyone. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Yesterday, we discussed some of the tags. That means HTML elements. In that HTML elements, you are having the attributes. What are the global attributes you are discussing now? Yes or no? Then next concept we went text formats also we are discussing now. Text format also we are discussing. Yes or no? That is, what are those we are having event attributes? We are discussing some event attributes. What are those event attributes? Right now, we will see those event attributes. Okay. What are the event attributes available in HTML? Okay. Right now, we'll see those, how we can able to write the HTML event attributes. Okay. That is, we are seeing yesterday. HTML event attributes to perform an event on, it is having na on after print, that is executed, it will print after execution. Okay, executed the script after document was printed. Like that, we are seeing one more also, on before print. That means executed the script before the document printed, before the document printed. Like that, we are having more event attributes. More event attributes. Those are on error. On error. That means executed the script when an error occurs. Executed the script when an error occurs. An error occurs. That means when you are having the error, at that time it will execute. When you are having the error, at that time it will execute. Next, on hash change. On hash change. What it will do? Executed the script. Executed the script when the anchor part of the URL, anchor part of the URL of the web page changed. Okay, changed when the web part of the anchor page was changed. At that time, we are going to use that on hash changed. The next one. Okay, the next one is on load. The next one is on load. What are the unload means? Unload means executed the script. Executed the script when the web page entirely loaded. Entirely loaded. On message. On message. Executed the script. Executed the script when a message event occur. When a event message occurs. Okay. Next one, on offline. On offline. What is meant by on offline? Executed the script. Executed the script when the network connection is disconnected. Disconnected. And browser started working offline. Started working offline. When the browser started working offline, at the time also it is showing one is On online. What is meant by on online? Executed the script when the browser started working online. Started working online. When it was connected online, it will on page hide. On page hide. That means executed the script. Executed the script when the current web page is hidden. Hidden. Okay. Such as if the user moved away from the current web page. Away from the current web page. Next, on page show. On page show. What is meant by on page show? Executed the script when the Windows active history is changed. History was changed. Okay. Executed the script when the window active history was changed. When the hitter was changed. Okay. And the next one more on resize. On resize. What is this on resize? Executed the script. Executed the script when the window is resized. Window is resized. On storage. Storage. That means executed the script when the web page storage is updated. Storage is updated. These all are one more is having on unload. On unload. What is meant by on unload? Executed the script when the current web page is unloaded or window is closed. These all are the event. Which one? What are these? Anyone? Some event attributes. Some event attributes. What the event attributes we will see from event attributes. We will see one from is the one event attributes from event attributes. From event occur when the user performs some actions within the form, such as submitting the form, selecting input fields, like that we are doing now. At the time, what will happen, what are the things are having, we will see in the form. Okay. In the form, what are the things? Form, not from form. Yes. In the HTML, we're having registration form, login form now. Those are form event occurs when the user performs some action within the form, such as submitting the form and selecting the input field, and so on, etc. So many things we are doing. At that time, that form event can be, what it will do? That form event can be used with any element, but these are mainly used in HTML form elements. Those some of the form event attributes we'll see. Some of the form event attributes. What are those some form event attributes? Right now, on blur. First one is on blur. What is that means? Executed the script when the form loses the focus. When the form element loses the focus. Next one, on change. Executed the script when the value of the element is changed. Okay. Element is changed. Next, on focus. Okay. That means that they trigger an event when the element get focused. Okay. Next, on input. What it will do? On input, executed script when the user enters the input to the element. Okay. Inputs to the element. Next, on invalid. Executed the script when the element does not satisfy its predefined constraints. That means previous conditions it's unable to check at that time. Next, on reset. It triggers the event when the reset the form element values. On search, trigger the event when search field receives the element value or values. Okay, that is on search. Okay, and on select. On select. What this on select will do? On select trigger the event when the user has selected the some text. Selected the sec. On submit triggers the event when the form is submitted. When the form was submitted, it will work. Those are the form event attributes. Like that, you are having different attributes also. Sir, what are those different attributes you are having? Keyboard event attributes. Keyboard event attributes. What are those keyword event attributes? Okay, keyword event attributes. Keyword keyboard event occurs when the user interacts with the keyboard. Some of the keyboard events we will see. Some of the event attributes are, first one is on key down. On key down. What it will do? Triggers the event when the user presses down a key on the keyboard. And on key press triggers the event when the user presses the key which displays some character. And next one is on key up. Triggers the event when the user presses the currently pressed key. User presses the or user releases the currently pressed key. Next one, these are the keyboard events. These are the some keyboard events. Okay, like that we are having some mouse event attributes. Mouse event attributes. What are those mouse event attributes? We will see. On click. That means triggers the event when the mouse click on the element. On DBL click. On DBL click. That means triggers the event when the mouse double click occurs on the element. On mouse down. This is also one. On mouse down triggers the event when the mouse button is pressed on the element. Then on mouse move triggers the event when the mouse pointer moves over the element. Okay. Next, on mouse out. On mouse out triggers the event when the mouse moves outside the element. Outsides the element. Next one is on mouse over. Okay. Next, triggers event when the mouse moves onto the element. That is one. Next one, on mouse up. What are those on mouse up? Triggers the event when mouse button is released. Triggers the event when the mouse button is released. Okay. When you release the mouse button, at the time it will up on mouse wheel. Next one, on mouse wheel. What is that one? Deprecated use on wheel attribute. Next, on wheel. What is meant by on wheel? Triggers event when the mouse wheel rolls up or down on the element. These all are the mouse event attributes. Next one, clipboard attributes also having. Clipboard event attributes. What are those clip event attributes? We'll see those. On copy triggers the event when the user copies the content to the system clipboard. That is the thing. Next, on cut. What is meant by on cut? Triggers the event when the content of the element is, wait, okay, cut and copy, cut and copy the clipboard. What's happened? Clipboard. Okay. Next, paste, on paste. Triggers the event when the user pasted some content in an element. In an element. These all are clipboard event attributes. Clipboard event attributes. Next, media event attributes. These all are the most important attributes to implement the applications. That's why this much time I'm typing everything. Next, on abort. On abort. Executed the script when the media playback is aborted. Aborted. On can play. On can play. Executed the event when the media file is ready to play. Ready to play. Next one, on can play through. On can play through. Through. That means executed script. Executed script when the media file is ready to play without buffering or stopping. That is meant by on can play through. Next one, on queue exchange, queue change. Okay, that we will see it on CUGCHANG change. Executed the script text queue of, that means track. Track element is changed. Is changed. Okay. Next one, on duration change. On duration change. That is executed the script. Executed the script when the media file duration is changed. When the media file duration is changed. When the media file duration was changed. Next one, on emptoid. We will see on emptoid. That means executed the script when the media occurs some fatal error. Fatal error. Fatal error and the file becomes unavailable. Becomes unavailable at the time. Next, on ended. On ended. What is meant by on ended? Executed the script when the media file occurs its endpoint. Media file when the media file occurs its its endpoint on error executed the script when the some error occurred when some error occurred while fetching the media data The next one, on loaded data executed the script when media data is loaded and the media data is loaded. On loaded metadata. Next one, on loaded metadata. Okay. Executed the script when metadata of the media file is loaded. And on load start executed the script when loading the media file starts. Next, on pass executed the script when media file is started playing. Okay. Next, on progress means executed the script when the browser is in the progress of getting the media data. Next, on rate change. What it will do? On rate change, executed the script when playback speed changed. Okay, playback. And on seeked or seeking or seeked. Both are different. On seeked means executed the script when seek operation is ended and seeking attribute set false. Seeking attribute set false. Okay. Seeking attribute is false. Next is the on seeking. What is on seeking? Executed the script. Executed the script when when the seek operation is active. Seek operation is active and seeking attribute set to true. That is the difference between seeked and on seek. Next one on next one on stalled. On stalled. On stalled. That means executed the script when browser unexpectedly stopped working or fetching the media data. These all are. And next one is on suspended. On suspend. Suspend. Executed the script when the browser executed the script if fetching the media data fetching the media data is intentionally stopped. Intentionally stopped. Next, on time update. On time update. Why? Because everybody watching the videos in the where? Browser only. So that's why so many types of conditions will come. That's why so many media event attributes are having. So many media event attributes are having. On time update. On time update. Event executed the script when playback position is changed, such as if a user fast forward the track. The track. That means either audio or video, we have done the fast forward at the time. On time update will work. Next one, on volume change. On volume change. Executed the script. When media volume is changed, that is muted or unmuted. Muted or unmuted, anything. And the last one in a media was on waiting. On waiting. These all are the, we'll see, executed the script if playback, pause to wait for the loading more data, for the loading the more data, that is to use. These all are the, which one? Events, attributes, event attributes, event attributes. Okay, event attributes. We will see what are those event attributes one by one. Okay, event attributes. What are those event type of attributes? Don't Aisha Sultana, please keep it in mute.
हाँ क्या होता डिसिप्लिन ऐसा का हो जाती है
Okay, these all are the event attributes. What are those event attributes? Once we will see number of event attributes we are seeing. Okay, what are those attributes? Here HTML found lot of event attributes. Some event attributes are having, that is on before printer. When it will execute the script before print document is printed. Okay, or after, both were having on after print, on before print. And next one, URL on error. On error is executed the script when an error occurred. On hash change, execute the script when anchor part of the URL of the web page is changed. Next, onload, execute the script when the web page entirely loaded. On messages, executed the script when event messages occur. And the next one, on offline, executed the script when the network connection is disconnected or browser started working offline. Online means executed the script when the browser started working online. On page hide, this is executed the script when the current web page is hidden, such as if the user moved away from the current web page. On page show, executed the script when the window active history was changed. On resize, executed the script when the window is resized. On storage, executed the script when the web page storage is updated. On unloaded, executed the script when the current web page is unloaded or window is closed. And right now we will see form. In HTML login form, registration form having na some of the event form events are having on blur. Executed the event, that means executed the script when the form element loses the focus. On change, executed the script when the value of the element is changed. On focus, it triggers an event when element get focused. On input, executed the script when user enters the input to the element. On invalid, execute the script when the element does not satisfy the predefined constraints. On reset, triggers the event when the form was reset the element values. On search, triggers the element when the search field receives the element values. On select, triggers the event when the user has selected some text. On submit, triggers the event when the form is submitted. These all are the, which one? Form event attributes. Like that keyboard also we're having. What are the keyboard? On key down, on key press, on key up. Three only we're having. Then mouse, only on click, on double click, on mouse click down, on mouse click up. Okay, move out, over, up also we are seeing now. These are the things we are having. These are the things we are having. Okay, everyone got the point? These all are the, which one? Which one? Mouse event attributes. Mouse event attributes. Everyone got the point? Mouse event attributes. So next we're having mouse wheel and on wheel also having. Clipboard event attributes, on copy that is used for copying, on cut for cutting, and paste for pasting. The most important was media, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere we are watching the videos now. So how they're operating those all videos means on abort. When it will execute, the script is executed when a media file is aborted. Okay, and on can play, executed when media file is ready to play. On can play through. That means executed the script when media file is ready to play without buffering or stopping. On queue change. That is executed the script the text queue. Okay, the element is changed. That is on duration change. That means when the media file duration is changed. On aptide. Okay, that means executed when the media file is unavailable. On ended, that means occurs it's ended. On error, executed the script while fetching the media file. Unloaded data, executed which one? Script media file data is loaded. Unloaded metadata, script executed the script when the metadata file is loaded. On load start, executed the script when the loading the media file started. On pass, executed the script when media file is started playing. On progress, that means the script when the browser is in the progress. And on rate changed, that means executed playback speed was changed. And on seeked, executed the script when seek function is ended. Okay, ended and ended and seeking attribute is false. On seeking means executed the script when the seek operation is active and seeking attribute set true. On settled, that means executed the script when unexpectedly stop working the media data. Unsuspended, on suspended, that means executed the script if fetch the media file is intentionally stopped. That means we are stopping. On time update, that means whenever video is playing, trying to change the time, that means fast forward you are done. On volume change, that means you can mute and unmute. On waiting, these all are used for the which one? Event which one? Event attributes. Different types of event attributes. And next tomorrow we'll discuss HTML5 tags. Right now we are seeing tags or HTML4. What are the HTML5 tags are having, we will see. Right now these all are the, right now today we discussed what are those event attributes. Different type of event attributes are having. Form event, keyboard event, clip event, mouse event, media event. These are the commonly used event attributes. Next, we are going to see HTML5 tags. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss that one. Any doubts for today's session? Ask me, then we'll clarify and go for the tomorrow's session.